In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MidJourney to your Discord server. By the end, you'll have the MidJourney bot added and ready to use on your own server without any confusion. First, you need to join the official MidJourney Discord. Open your web browser and search for Discord MidJourney. In the results, look for the official invite link to the MidJourney server. Make sure it's legitimate. Avoid any lookalike links and aim for the one that clearly references the official MidJourney presence. Click the invite, and when Discord opens, confirm that you want to join. If you're not already signed in, Discord will prompt you to log in. Once you've joined, you'll land inside the MidJourney community. Next, head to the member list in that server. On desktop, the member list is on the right side. If you don't see it, click the member icon near the top. On mobile, swipe left or tap the people icon to open it. In the member list, find the MidJourney bot. It usually has a verified badge and is clearly labeled as a bot. Click on it to open its profile. There, you'll see an option called Add App. Select that. This tells Discord you want to connect the MidJourney bot to one of your own servers. When the authorization window opens, click Add to Server. A drop-down will appear showing the servers you manage. Choose the server where you want MidJourney to live. If your server doesn't show up, it usually means you need the manage server permission, so make sure you're an admin or have the right role before proceeding. After selecting your server, Discord will show a list of permissions the bot is requesting. These typically include the ability to read and send messages and use commands. Review them, then click to authorize and allow the permissions. Discord may also ask you to complete a quick verification step. Just follow the prompts, and that's it. You've successfully added MidJourney to your Discord server. From here, you're ready to explore what the bot can do right inside your own channels. If you don't immediately see the bot, check your server's member list or verify that it was added to the correct server. Also, consider creating a dedicated channel for MidJourney so its activity stays organized. If you run into any permission issues, revisit your server roles and ensure the bot can view and post in your chosen channels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy bringing powerful image generation right into your Discord community.